Hey there, David Hertz coming to you to show you how to get more new dental patients by offering your service to brides-to-be. Okay, what we're going to cover in this video is first we'll give you a 10,000-foot view of this campaign. We'll show you the offer we make, the lead capture process, the follow-up process, and then the internal upsell. And that's the place where we make all our money on this. So let's get going. First, we'll give you a 10,000-foot view of this marketing campaign. We'll start here. How to get more dental patients by catering to brides-to-be. There might be a couple reasons we're doing this. I'll get to those as we move forward. What I'm about to show you is how to give you a full marketing plan to get to new patients in your dental office. It involves giving away something at a discounted or free rate. If that scares you, I'll explain why it does and why this is different. When people mess this up, they waste a ton of time and money. If you follow how we're doing it and implement each of these steps correctly, it's going to change your business forever. I know because it's been tested, it's been proven, and it works. This is designed to get a specific kind of patient to sign up at your office, not just anyone. That would be a terrible way to do marketing. So let's get you to the 10,000-foot view of the 4-gear machine we're building to get dental patients into your office. Here's the machine. You'll notice it's made of 4 parts. Each part has to work completely, or it's not going to drive business the way it can. It starts obviously with the offer, and then once we've built the offer, we need to create a way to capture leads. Once those are captured, we've got to follow up, and then there's an internal upsell inside your office, and we'll get to that in a few minutes. The goal is to get them into your office one time so that you can help them find the issues that need to be solved before they cause a bigger problem, and then book the second appointment before they leave. Does that make sense? So here's the offer. The offer is made up also of 4 parts. The first gear on our machine, we're going to hit females 25 to 35. They're in a specific situation, brides-to-be. We give something that's of high value to the person and a reason to claim it now. And now there are a number of reasons we're doing this. Females, brides-to-be, they're about to be the head of their family. I don't know about your family, but in my family, it was the mother that made most of these kinds of decisions. This is also a person who has a very important day coming up. So this teeth whitening session is something that could be of great interest to her. Does this make sense so far? Let's take a look at the lead capture process. Here's the lead capture process, the second gear in this machine. We start with the landing page. We have a way to collect the information from the person who would be visiting us. Once we've got that, there's a thank you page, and it's going to direct them as to what to do so that they can get their free teeth whitening session. How we do this is we put this landing page in this ad, very specific ad, targeting them on Facebook with dynamic targeting. We can actually select on Facebook for people who meet the demographic 25 to 35, brides-to-be. And then we get into the follow-up process. They call the office, free teeth whitening session, dial such and such number, and use the code BRIDAL to schedule your free teeth whitening session. Now, that's the letter they're getting. You see that there on the left, and then this is where we make our money. So the point is, we're bringing the person into the office. This is a person who the lifetime value of this person could be very high. She could bring her husband, she could bring her kids. It's not obviously just for the whitening that you're interested. You're interested in providing all of the services that this woman is going to need over the course of the coming years. So while you have her in the office for the whitening, obviously you'll do an exam and you'll be able to notice the things that might need work. But what you do is this. So once they come in for the whitening, you're going to leave them with some gifts. You're going to leave them with a bridal bag with wedding offers from local businesses. We'll call around to some of the businesses in your area, usually a photographer, caterers, things like that. So we give them a gift with some discounts and things like that. And we will give them The reminder for the follow-up appointment. We're also going to give them, obviously, the whitening tray and a little bit of solution so that they can start on the process of getting those whiter teeth that they want for their important day. Now, you're going to include in that gift bag, give this to a friend that needs it. Obviously, a bride is going to have bridesmaids, is going to have other people, so we're inviting her to, she's going to be looking her best, is we want to bring her friends in who may be in a similar place in life, and we hand this offer off to them, and that's a new person that you bring into your office. The testimonial, obviously this is something people love. It's like, you go to a great movie and you tell everyone about it. You give someone free whitening, you give them some goodies, you give them a great feeling as they're moving towards their special day. You've got a pretty good chance of bringing that person on a full-time basis. Does this make sense? Okay, so that said, it's just a question, what questions do you have? This is obviously something we can do for you. It's obviously something you can do yourself, but I'm sure most of you want to be running your dental practices and not be doing this work. So reach out. My number's right there, 203-257-4155, as is my email, and we will talk to you soon. Thank you. Bye.